Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2002 Ford F150. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and drop a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is start our vehicle. We're going to turn our blower all the way to the coldest setting and then turn it on max AC, lower speed on high, and we'll go under the hood. Now if you have the 4.2 liter V6, your AC low pressure port is going to be right here. If you have the 6.4 or 5.4, then your low pressure port is going to be right here. See it right down here. Just unscrew that. It's right there. Now we've got our recharge tool here with a can of refrigerant. We've taken off our cap here, so we're just going to press this down until it clicks like that. It's attached. We can look here. See, we're just a little bit low. See, right now the compressor is off. You're going to hear it click and pop back on, and the needle's going to drop like that. So what you're going to do to fill it, just squeeze the trigger and oscillate the can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. You're just going to keep adding refrigerant. And what you want to see is you want to see this needle just stay in a constant spot with the compressor on all the time. And that'll give you your best coolant or cool air in the cabin. So I'm going to just keep adding a little bit of this here. I think you get the idea of what's going on. When you're done, unhook your hose, put your cap back on, and you're good to go. So if this video is helpful, hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment down below. Really helps out a lot, and have a good one.